Hello guys, my name is Iana Komarnytska and I'm happy to welcome you to my new video series on belly dance. In this course, I'll take you from the very basics of belly dance to quite solid foundations. We will not only learn some basic belly dance moves, but we'll go even a little bit beyond that. We'll try to combine and layer them on top of each other, as well as see how those moves work with arms and even some traveling steps. On top of that, we'll go and dig a little bit into some folkloric styles that influence belly dance a lot, as well as learn a couple of basic, most popular rhythms that we can hear in belly dance songs. Also, at the end of the course, we even will take veil as one of the most popular belly dance props and try a couple of simple moves with it.